I started working with like other brands and worked a lot with 𝐅𝐻𝐋𝐋𝐿, which is like Dan Bilzerian's brand.
Right. Yeah,
And
I saw that. His parties
yeah.
looking. You guys have been like documenting his parties, right?
Yeah. Well, one of them. He only throws like 2 a year.
Yeah, and they're fucking out of control.
Yeah,
out of control.
Insane. Like certain people can't get in. Like someone was commented on my page, like David Dobrik couldn't even get in. I was like,
really?
Yeah.
Holy shit! How did you get looped in with them?
My friend, she's a graphic designer for his brand.
Oh, dope.
For the 𝐅𝐻𝐋𝐋𝐿 brand. So she was always talking to me about like, oh, you know, we could use you as a photographer for some of our campaigns and stuff.
Right.
And then, you know, it was always just like, she always talked about it, but then it actually came to fruition. And then one gig led to another, and then to another, and then to another.
So you did primarily photo or video?
I've done some photos for just like some products, some campaign for the products and stuff like that. And then I also did something for like a social media launch. Okay. I don't know if that's announced yet though. And then I did the party coverage, and there was a lot of people shooting. Yeah. But it was kind of weird because I just managed my own little team, and we had our own assets that we had to provide. Oh, and then there was people doing like, there was like different teams of videographers.
Isn't that crazy?
It was a little insane. I was kind of confused as to like who was doing what.
You never know if he's like shooting a documentary, so you may have like a documentary crew shooting long raw takes where you're trying to just get really high impact social snippets, essentially, right?
Yep, exactly. Yeah, like I was editing like within an hour for social media. Knock out a video that night and then a recap the next day. It's pretty simple.
Yeah. That's dope. That's cool.
Yeah, but it was fun. I mean, it was cool being in the atmosphere. It was bizarre as hell.
Yeah, man. He's got like, for people who don't know, especially my mom, because she listens to every episode and I say that every time. I'm always like, if someone doesn't know something, I'll just reference my mom so I can explain it to her. Yeah. And then if you don't know, you don't have to, whatever. But like this dude is this like, I don't know how much money he's got. Multi-million-dollar man who's just a legend workout fucking buff guy who chills with tons and tons of naked chicks, and that's his life. Thanks for listening to this clip. Make sure to listen to the full interview, which is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, and wherever else you listen to podcasts. Hit the subscribe button for more highlights and join our Black with No Cream private community for creators. Links in the description.